हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल एड्यूशा। स्वागत है आप सभी का फिर से इस चैनल पे। और WBCS 2021 मेंस में जो पेपर 5 था पॉलिटी एंड इकोनॉमी का, उसके आंसर को आज डिस्कस करते हैं हम लोग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर के 100 तक इस वीडियो में है और बाकी का एक और वीडियो आएगा पार्ट 2 जिसमें 101 से लेकर के 200 तक क्वेश्चन के आंसर को मैं डिस्कस करूँगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हैं, द वैल्यू ऑफ नेशनल इनकम एडजस्टेड फॉर इन्फ्लेशन इज कॉल्ड, इट इज़ रियल नेशनल इनकम, ऑप्शन डी। नेक्स्ट, द कंट्रोल ऑफ द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ इलेक्टोरल रोल्स फॉर पार्लियामेंट एंड लेजिस्लेचर वेस्ट विद द, इट्स बी, इलेक्शन कमीशन। नेक्स्ट, रेपो रेट एंड रिवर्स रेपो रेट आर रिलेटेड विथ, it's D, credit policy of Reserve Bank. What was the central theme of the Chipko movement started by Sundarlal Bhaguna in 1973? It was conservation of forest, option A. Next, which article deals with right to elementary education? इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, आर्टिकल 21A. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, विच कमिटी मेड रिकमेंडेशंस फॉर सेल्फ लोकल गवर्नमेंट? इसका आंसर होगा सी, बलवंत राय मेहता कमिटी। सिंस द इंसेप्शन ऑफ द कोऑपरेटिव मूवमेंट रूरल क्रेडिट्स हैज़ बीन, इसका आंसर होगा डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज्ड टू डिनोट ब्रॉड मनी? इट्स ऑप्शन सी, M3. नेक्स्ट, the National Stock Exchange functions from, its B, Mumbai. Devaluation of a currency means, option A, reduction in the value of a currency vis-a-vis major internationally traded currencies, it's option A. Next, question number 11, devaluation of currency will be more beneficial if, option B, prices of exports become cheaper to importers. Next, question number 12, who administers oath to the governor of a state? It's Chief Justice of High Court, option C. The Indian budget includes all of the above, option D. From which fund the salaries of the judges of Supreme Court is drawn? It's A, consolidated fund. When was the Constitution of India enacted by the Constituent Assembly? It's A, 26th Jan 1950. Question number 16, which is not a condition for becoming a citizen of India? It's D, acquiring property. Which articles provide with the right to religion? It's A, 25 से 28. Next, 18, the minimum needs program aims to, option B, improve the living condition of the poor and also promote their education and health. Question number 19, National Food Grain Movement Plan is primarily related to which among the following? It's option C, modernization of public distribution system. Next, question 20, which state in India is the largest producer of mulberry silk? It's Karnataka, option A. Question number 21, share of direct taxes in India in post economic reform is A, increasing. Next, which of the following appointment is not made by President of India? It's B, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which among the following is correct about an equity fund? It's B, it invests primarily in shares. Next, Rajya Sabha can delay the money bill for 14 days, option D. Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog? It's Prime Minister, option D. For international payments, the Indian currency is linked to A, American dollar. Foreign direct investment and foreign institutional investment are distinct in terms of, its option A, FDI brings capital, technology and management, and FII brings capital. Question number 28, persons below the poverty line in India are classified as such based on whether, it's option A, they are entitled to a minimum prescribed food basket. Next question number 29. Which schedule contains forms of oath and affirmations? It's option B, third. Question number 30. The term Golden Revolution is most closely related to which of the following missions? It's B, National Horticulture Mission. Next question number 31. Who appoints the Chief Justice and other judges of Supreme Court of India? It's President of India, option D. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? It's Sukumar Sen, option A. PAN stands for Permanent Count Number, option A. The basic feature of the rolling plan was, it's option D. Annual fluctuations in prices and major economic developments could be considered while fixing targets. Question number 35. Which schedule contains the Union list? It's option C, 7th schedule. The President of India has almost the same constitutional authority as the British monarch, option B. Whenever the government spends more than it collects through revenue, the resulting imbalance is known as budget deficit, option D. The most important source of revenue to the state is sales tax, option A. Which of the following groups of states has the largest concentration of rural poor and people living below the poverty line? It's D, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Question number 40. Which 5-year plan focused on growth with social justice and equality? It's option D, 9th 5-year plan. Question number 41. Which among the following is the major marine food export item of India? It's option B, frozen shrimp. Next 42. Which is the soul of the Indian Constitution? It's preamble, option B. Who appoints the chairman of UPSC? It's President, option A. When was decimal coinage introduced in India? 1st April 1957, option C. The power of amnesty in India is given to President, option A. Article 39A of the Constitution deals with, option A, equal justice and free legal aid. When was the first meeting of Constituent Assembly held? It's 9th December 1946. Which of the following measures is not likely to help in improving India's balance of payments position? It's D, imposition of higher duty on exports. Next question number 49. Which article of the Constitution of India contains provisions for a national commission for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe? It's option C, Article 338. Question number 50. Article 352 of the Indian Constitution relates to national emergency. Judges of the Supreme Court of India can be removed by impeachment, option B. In India, inflation measured by the, option B, Consumers Price Index for urban non-manual workers. The central nodal agency for implementing the price support operations for commercial crop is, option A, NAFED. The Council of Ministers in a parliamentary type of government can remain in office till it enjoys the support of, option D, majority of the members of lower house of parliament. National expenditure includes, option D, all of the above. The Election Commission holds election for, option A, the Parliament, State Legislature and the post of President and Vice President. Which part of the Indian Constitution contains the fundamental duties? It's part 4A. The competitive devaluation by the countries would badly affect which among the following? इसका आंसर होगा A, exporters. The main function of the Exim Bank is, option C, to promote exports and curtail imports. Which of the following periods is known as plan holiday? It's option A 1966 and 1969. Population explosion in a country means option B high birth rate and low death rate. Gilt-edged market means market of government securities, option B. The RBI uses the following instruments for quantitative control of credit. It's C 1, 2 and 3. The minimum interest rate of a bank below which it is not visible to lend is known as base rate, option B. Next, highest milk producer in India is it's A Uttar Pradesh. Original jurisdiction of Supreme Court is A Article 131. Take off stage in an economy means option A steady growth begins. Which bank gives long term loan to farmer? It's B NABARD. Next, debenture holders of a company are its creditors. When was the Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala took place? Option A 1973. 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with option D list of recognized languages. Article 312 of Indian Constitution deals with A all India services. The Reserve Bank of India issues option B all the currency notes except the 1 rupee note. Exim Bank was set up in B 1982. How many schedules are there in Constitution of India? It's option D 12. Next, which of the following is not included in the preamble? Federal is not included. Next, consider the following statements and identify the right ones. The National Food Security Mission aims to increase production through area expansion. This program was launched to enhance the production of rice, wheat and pulses. Both are correct. Under which article of the Constitution is the President's rule promulgated in any state in India? It's Article 356, option D. The Election Commission of India is a option A constitutional body. Which of the following groups suffer the most from inflation? इसका आंसर होगा बी क्रेडिटर्स. नेक्स्ट, द फूड फॉर वर्क प्रोग्राम वाज रीनेम्ड एज नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम NREP, ऑप्शन बी. व्हेन वाज नीति आयोग फॉर्म्ड? ऑप्शन ए 1 Jan 2015. हु इज द लीगल एडवाइजर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ अ स्टेट? द एडवोकेट जनरल. Which of the following was included as part of land reforms initiated in India? It's D all of the above. Which of the following states has the highest irrigation coverage? A Punjab. The President can proclaim emergency on the written advice of Union Cabinet. In pursuance with the recommendations of Narasimham Committee, the RBI has framed new guidelines to govern entry of new private sector banks to make the banking sector more competitive. The concept of liberty and fraternity in the Constitution of India was taken from France. Prorogation of the House means the session of the House has been terminated. Option C. When can a president use his discretion in appointing the Prime Minister? It's A. When no political party enjoys a clear majority in the Lok Sabha. Question number 91. Article 80 deals with option B composition of Rajya Sabha. Next, deficit financing means that the government borrows money from the C Reserve Bank of India. The Supreme Court of India can give advice to the President under Article 143. Option A. The banks are required to maintain a certain ratio between their cash in hand and total assets is known as statutory liquidity ratio. Option B. Article 24 of the Constitution deals with the prohibition of employment of children in factories. Option C. Next, 96. The 10th schedule to the Constitution is related to provisions regarding disqualification on ground of defection. The type of unemployment mostly found in India can be characterized as disguised. RBI was set up on the basis of recommendation of Royal Commission. What is the minimum age for appointment as a governor? It's 35 years. Last question number 100. The member of the council states in India are elected for a period of 6 years. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये था आज का वीडियो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर के क्वेश्चन नंबर 100 तक. नेक्स्ट वीडियो जल्दी आएगा. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. थैंक यू.